Olw'olidde okusumbusa z'enkoko, well Sunday no omukulu yayeeza sumbusa z'enkoko. Bwentyo nenfuna enkoko yange nenjoza bulungi nnyo nengisalasala in pieces without bones, nengiprocessinga mu my food process. Then nengisiika bulungi nnyo. But as I was cooking nenzijukira nina emirimu mingi, nina okoza engoye, nina okukola ki. And I said, you know what? Let me just get myself a progig finder that has cleaners, cooks, service providers of any kind to help me out. And within no time, the lady had come, started washing my clothes. I had a heap of clothes. Let me tell you, I was super grateful. This is a lady I chose from the app because, oh my God, she delivered. Then netweyongera maso nokola sumbusa zaffe. Onade nkanda ngano yange egenda okola the sumbusa pockets or samosa pockets. Omanyi kigambo kyogera sumbusa. Then nemala bulungi nnyo nenjibikako esobola ocrazinga, oyamaze ocrazinga nenjisalasala in equal parts nenkola those circles. These circles nkozikola bulungi nnyo, then going ahead to make sure that they're all equal. So I use a uniform cutout, which is my box cover. Ntekako obuto n'engano. Kino kiyambako oba ozaawula obuta stickinga together. Kubanga ozikandira wamu, n'ozisiika wamu, then n'ozaawula bwawuzi. So that's why I use that cutout. Then nentekako bulungi nnyo zonna as I've told you, oyongera ogenda ogattako. Most times osotekako 3 olusi 4 olusi 5 as long as you know ostickinze bulungi nnyo with oil and flour. Then as you can see nezivaako bulungi nnyo. Kiba very easy if you put very good amounts of oil ne flour. Within no time they were already there. Then I cut into equal pieces. Now the problem is I had made very small circles, so the pockets were a bit small as you can see. Niyo mchala nga nabagambye yayongoseza buli kimu na nyongoseza ifumbiro na yuze ebintu, literally everything. The only thing I did today was to cook breakfast because ne lunch yagifumbye. Now this is not very expensive, so if this is a service that you would need someone to clean your house, wash your clothes, cook for you food, just go to the ProGig Finder app that can be gotten from the App Store and the Google Play Store. Get yourself the app and suffer no more. Within no time, into your David, the launching. Bye. See you in the next video.